Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I want to show you something that can happen when you have to replace plants, and it's nothing to be alarmed about. Look behind us. We've got these Shishi Sasanquas. They're doing great. They look gorgeous. But look right over here behind me. You can see earlier this year we had to redo this bed for these people, and we've got 4 or 5 brand new ones in here, and you notice how they're not blooming, but you've got all these over here that are. And what's happening here is we've got these younger plants that aren't as mature as these. They still have plenty of buds on them. They're going to bloom. They're just going to bloom later. This isn't an uncommon thing that we see, and it's probably going to be at least 1 or 2 seasons before these are established enough and rooted enough, and they'll end up getting on the same bloom cycle as everything else. So if you have to add plants to your landscaping, maybe you have to replace some dead plants, don't be alarmed if they don't bloom on the same cycle right at first. It might take a couple of seasons for them to kind of get matured, get established, and get on a normal cycle as everything else. So hope that helps. If you got any questions or need any suggestions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.